Hello, welcome to your channel for real estate investing education. Today we're going to cover wholesaling real estate, specifically how to generate cash flow in real estate with little or no money of your own. If you want to get into real estate in 2025 with little to no money, wholesaling is one of the best ways to start, if not the best. No license needed in most states, no loans, no flipping. Hard work to find discounted deals. These 5 simple steps will be your roadmap to wholesaling real estate to get the big picture. I will be uploading videos explaining each step. You're essentially connecting motivated sellers with investors and earning a fee for your matchmaking skills. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your wholesaling journey. Alright, step 1 is all about finding those diamonds in the rough. We're talking about distressed properties, houses that need some love, have untapped potential, and most importantly, have a motivated seller. What makes a seller motivated? They could be in financial distress, like being behind on mortgage payments, facing foreclosure, don't have the money to fix the property, or maybe they inherited a property and want to cash out quickly. Sometimes it's tired landlords who are done dealing with tenants, toilets, and repairs. Keep an eye out for vacant homes too. Those are often a sign of a motivated seller. Use online tools like PropStream or Realtor.com to filter for pre-foreclosures, properties priced below market value, or those that have been sitting on the market for a long time, at least 120 days. Another great strategy is good old-fashioned driving for dollars. This strategy is very effective, especially if you have no money for marketing. This means getting out there in your target neighborhood, driving around and looking for properties that look vacant or neglected and writing down these addresses. I will show you how to find and contact the owners in future videos. You can also check public records for things like code violations or tax liens. These can be indicators of a distressed property. Remember, the key here is to find a property that you can get under contract for significantly less than its market value after repairs. Fantastic, you found a promising property. Now it's time to lock it down with a purchase contract. Please note, I am not an attorney and I can't give legal advice. This video is for educational purposes only. This is where you're officially securing the deal and getting the seller to agree to sell you the property at a specific price. The most important thing here is to get everything in writing. Don't rely on verbal agreements. You need a legally binding contract. When crafting your offer, remember to include an assignable clause. I will cover what this means in a future video. Stay tuned and watch for new videos. This is crucial for wholesaling because it allows you to assign your rights to purchase the property to someone else, your end buyer. Another key element is to build in an out for yourself, such as an inspection contingency. This gives you a way to back out of the deal if you find any major issues with the property during inspection, or if you can't find a buyer. Be confident, be professional, and don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't right. You have a signed contract. Congratulations, you now control the property and can start marketing it to potential buyers. With the property under contract, it's time to find your cash buyer. This is where your wholesaling profit comes in. Cash buyers are typically real estate investors who are looking for properties to flip or add to their rental portfolios. They're ready to buy quickly, which is exactly what you need. So where do you find these elusive cash buyers? Networking is key. Attend local real estate investment club meetings, connect with investors on online forums and social media groups, and let your network know what kind of deals you're looking for. Another effective strategy is to reach out directly to landlords in your target area. You can find them on websites like Zillow, or even by driving for dollars and looking for rent signs. When you're presenting your deal to potential buyers, be clear, concise, and provide all the necessary information. The property address, photos, your estimated after repair value, estimated repair costs, and your assignment fee. Remember, building relationships is crucial in this business. Be reliable, responsive, and always act with integrity. You found your cash buyer, they love the deal, and now it's time to seal the deal by assigning the contract. This is where you're transferring your rights to purchase the property to the buyer in exchange for your assignment fee. The assignment of contract is a separate legal document that outlines the terms of the assignment, including the assignment fee and the closing date. Let's break down how the assignment fee works with an example. Let's say you have the property under contract for $140,000. You find a cash buyer who's willing to pay $155,000. Your assignment fee in this case would be $15,000, or $155,000 minus $140,000. Once the assignment of contract is signed by you and the buyer, you'll forward it to the title company or closing attorney who will handle the closing process. This is the moment you've been waiting for, closing day. This is where the title company or closing attorney takes center stage. They'll handle all the paperwork, ensure the title is clear, and facilitate the transfer of funds. As the wholesaler, you'll need to provide the title company with the signed assignment of contract and any other required documentation. You'll also need to coordinate with the seller to make sure they're available to sign the closing documents. The buyer will wire their funds to the title company, which will then pay the seller the agreed-upon purchase price. The title company will then deduct their fees and wire your assignment fee directly to you. And that's it. You've successfully completed a wholesale real estate deal. Remember, wholesaling is a numbers game. Not every deal will be a winner, but with persistence, hard work, and a solid understanding of the process, you can build a successful wholesaling business. So there you have it. Wholesaling real estate broken down into 5 simple steps. Let's review: find a distressed property, lock it up under contract, find a cash buyer, assign the contract, and close and get paid. It's a powerful strategy to build wealth in real estate without needing a lot of your own capital. If you found this helpful, drop a comment or hit like. You've got this. If you have any questions, comment below. I will be uploading more videos.